Gentlemen, let me ask you something personal. Are you waking up 2, 3, maybe 4 times every single night to urinate? Do you stand at the toilet waiting, straining, feeling like your bladder never fully empties? Or maybe you're exhausted all day long, dragging yourself through simple tasks that used to take no effort at all? If any of that sounds familiar, I need you to stay with me, because what I'm about to share isn't just another normal part of aging, it's a red flag. Your body is waving a warning that something essential is missing. And here's the exciting part. Fixing it doesn't require expensive drugs, painful procedures, or invasive surgeries. Sometimes it comes down to one key vitamin taken at the right time of day, something simple, safe, and profoundly effective. Before we dive in, let me quickly ask you to support this channel. Give this video a like, drop a comment below telling me where you're watching from, and hit that subscribe button so you never miss my latest prostate health updates. Now, let's get real about what's happening inside your body at night. So many men over 60 tell me, "Doctor, I guess this is just what happens when you get older." And I stop them right there. Because no, it's not just your age. When you're constantly waking up to urinate, when your stream is weak and hesitant, when you feel exhausted even after what should have been a full night's sleep, that's not simply nature running its course. What's really happening is that your nightly prostate recovery system is breaking down. See, nighttime isn't just about closing your eyes and drifting off. It's when your body resets. Your prostate reduces inflammation. Blood flow to pelvic tissues regenerates and repairs. Your bladder muscles relax instead of staying tense and overactive, and your immune cells patrol your prostate, clearing out damaged tissue and keeping inflammation under control. If that system fails, the first places to collapse are your urinary function, your energy, and your quality of sleep. The good news is this isn't irreversible, and it often comes down to one overlooked vitamin that almost every man over 60 is severely deficient in. For those of you new here, my name is Dr. Jane. I'm a board-certified urologist with 18 years of clinical experience. I've sat across from thousands of men, many of them in their 60s, 70s, even 80s, who thought their urinary problems were permanent. And time after time, I've seen how restoring certain fundamentals, especially nighttime prostate recovery, can reduce symptoms, improve flow, and give men back their dignity and freedom in ways they thought were gone for good. Today, I'm going to walk you through the one key vitamin that supports prostate health, urinary flow, and deep sleep all at once. The 4 biggest mistakes men make when trying it, and how to use it correctly so you wake up rested, energized, and urinating normally again. So let's begin the countdown. Mistake number 1. Ignoring vitamin D deficiency. Let's talk straight. The number 1 vitamin most men are missing is vitamin D. Why does that matter? Biologically, vitamin D is not actually a vitamin. It's a hormone, and it plays a direct role in controlling inflammation in your prostate tissue. Your prostate has vitamin D receptors built into its cells. When vitamin D binds to those receptors, it tells your immune system to calm down. It reduces the chronic inflammation that causes your prostate to swell, press on your urethra, and block urine flow. Without enough vitamin D, that inflammation never shuts off. Your prostate stays swollen night after night, your bladder stays irritated, and your body stays in a constant state of low-grade stress. Emotionally, that leaves you waking up foggy, irritable, discouraged. You feel like your body has betrayed you. And let's be honest, when you're exhausted from broken sleep and constant bathroom trips, life loses its color. Practically over time, this deficiency shows up as weak stream, hesitancy, frequent nighttime urination, incomplete emptying, and waking up feeling like you never slept at all. Here's the shocking part. Studies show that 75 to 80% of men over 60 are vitamin D deficient. That's 3 out of every 4 men. A study published in the Journal of Urology found that men with vitamin D levels below 20 nanograms per milliliter had significantly larger prostates and worse urinary symptoms compared to men with normal levels. Another study in prostate cancer and prostatic diseases showed that men who corrected their vitamin D deficiency experienced measurable improvements in urinary flow rate and reductions in nighttime bathroom trips within 8 to 12 weeks. So if you're getting less restful sleep and waking up multiple times to urinate, don't just blame age. It could be vitamin D quietly slipping away and your prostate paying the price. Mistake number 2, choosing the wrong form. Here's where so many men waste their money. They walk into a pharmacy, grab the cheapest bottle labeled vitamin D, and think they're set. Big mistake. There are 2 forms of vitamin D, D2 and D3. Vitamin D2, also called ergocalciferol, comes from plants and fungi. It's cheap. It's what gets added to fortified milk and cereals, but it's far less effective at raising your blood levels. Your body doesn't absorb it well, and it breaks down quickly. Vitamin D3, also called cholecalciferol, is the form your skin produces from sunlight. It's what your body recognizes and uses efficiently. Studies show that D3 raises and maintains blood levels of vitamin D 2 to 3 times more effectively than D2. For men over 60 dealing with prostate issues, D3 is the only form that matters. But here's the second part most men miss. Vitamin D is fat soluble. That means it needs fat to be absorbed. If you take vitamin D3 on an empty stomach or with just water, most of it passes through your system unused. You're literally flushing money down the toilet. The solution is simple. Take vitamin D3 with a meal that contains fat, a handful of nuts, a piece of cheese, a spoonful of olive oil, eggs, avocado, anything with healthy fat. Or, if you prefer convenience, look for vitamin D3 soft gels that already come suspended in oil. These are pre-packaged for maximum absorption. Some men also choose to take vitamin D3 combined with vitamin K2. K2 helps direct calcium into your bones instead of your soft tissues, including your prostate. This combination is especially useful if you're taking higher doses of D3 long-term. Mistake number 3, taking it at the wrong time. Timing matters more than most men realize. Vitamin D influences your body's production of melatonin, the hormone that regulates your sleep-wake cycle. If you take vitamin D first thing in the morning, you might feel energized during the day. But at night, your melatonin production can be disrupted, making it harder to fall into deep, restorative sleep. For prostate health, nighttime is when the magic happens. That's when your body reduces inflammation, repairs tissue, and allows your bladder and prostate to relax. The best time to take vitamin D3 is with your evening meal, ideally 1 to 2 hours before bed. This gives your body time to absorb it with the fat from your meal, and it supports your natural nighttime recovery cycle. Take it with warm water or herbal tea. Dim the lights, put the phone away, and give your body the signal that it's time to rest and repair. Do that consistently, and your prostate begins to calm down. Inflammation decreases, urinary flow improves, and sleep deepens. Mistake number 4, expecting instant results. This one's critical. Vitamin D doesn't work like a prescription drug. It doesn't give you immediate relief the way an alpha blocker relaxes your prostate within hours. Vitamin D works cumulatively, night after night, layer after layer. It takes time for your body to rebuild vitamin D stores, reduce chronic inflammation, and restore normal prostate function. Here's the typical timeline based on clinical experience and research. First few nights, you might notice falling asleep a bit easier. Your body starts to relax. By the end of week 1, slightly fewer nighttime bathroom trips. Maybe you're down from 4 times to 3 times per night. After 2 weeks of consistency, noticeable improvement in sleep quality. You wake up feeling more rested. Urinary hesitancy starts to decrease. After 4 to 6 weeks, Significant improvement in urinary flow. Stream is stronger. You empty more completely. Nighttime trips might drop from 3 or 4 down to 1 or 2. After 8 to 12 weeks, maximum benefits. Many men report sleeping through most of the night. Stronger flow. Less urgency, better energy during the day, and a sense of control they thought was gone forever. The key word here is consistency. Miss nights and you lose momentum. Your vitamin D levels drop back down. Inflammation creeps back up, and symptoms return. This isn't a quick fix. It's a long-term investment in your prostate health and quality of life. How to put this into action. So how do you actually do this? Let me give you a clear, step-by-step protocol. Step 1. Choose the right type. Look for vitamin D3, not D2. Check the label carefully. It should say cholecalciferol. If possible, get soft gels in oil for better absorption, or get tablets and take them with a fat-containing meal. Step 2. Take the right dose. For most men over 60 with prostate symptoms, 2,000 to 4,000 IU per day is a safe and effective starting point. If you've never had your vitamin D levels tested, I strongly recommend getting a blood test. Ask your doctor to check your 25-hydroxy vitamin D level. The goal is to get your blood level above 30 nanograms per milliliter, ideally between 40 and 60. If your level is very low, your doctor might recommend a higher dose initially, like 5,000 to 10,000 IU per day for the first few weeks to build up your stores quickly. Once your levels are optimal, you can drop down to a maintenance dose of 2,000 to 4,000 IU daily. Step 3. Set a nighttime routine. Take your vitamin D3 with your evening meal. Make it part of a calming routine. Lights down, no screens, a warm drink, bed within 1 to 2 hours. Consistency is everything. Same time every night. Don't skip. Step 4. Stack it smartly. Pair vitamin D3 with other prostate supportive nutrients for even stronger effects. Magnesium glycinate at night helps relax muscles, including bladder and pelvic floor muscles. This reduces urgency and incomplete emptying. Zinc supports prostate health and immune function. Many men are also deficient in zinc. Omega-3 fatty acids from fish oil reduce inflammation throughout the body, including the prostate. These nutrients work synergistically. Together, they support your prostate far more effectively than any single nutrient alone. Step 5. Track your progress. Keep a simple log. How many times are you waking up to urinate each night? How strong is your stream? How do you feel when you wake up in the morning? Write it down. Track it weekly. You'll be amazed at how motivating it is to see real progress over time. Now, let me pause for a moment. If you're sitting there thinking, "Doctor, I feel like I've already lost too much ground. Maybe it's too late for me." I want you to hear me clearly. It's not too late. I've seen men in their late 70s who thought frequent urination and weak flow were permanent, only to regain control, confidence, and freedom once their vitamin D levels were restored and their prostate inflammation calmed down. This isn't about chasing youth. It's about restoring dignity, freedom, and the ability to wake up each morning without your bladder controlling your life. Your prostate still has the ability to heal. Your body still has the ability to reduce inflammation and restore normal function. But it needs your partnership. It needs you to give it the right tools starting tonight. Gentlemen, frequent urination, weak stream, broken sleep. These are not inevitable signs of aging. They are signs of deficiency. And deficiencies can be fixed. Your body still has the ability to be strong, rested, and functional. But it needs the right support. So tonight, take that step. Support your prostate, support your recovery, support your quality of life. Because when you do, you don't just change your nights, you change your days, your confidence, and your future. If this video helped you, please like it so more men can find this message. Comment below and tell me where you're watching from. I love seeing the community we're building worldwide. And subscribe to this channel for more guidance tailored to men like you. You deserve restful sleep. You deserve normal urinary function. You deserve to wake up feeling like yourself again. I'm Dr. Jane, and as always, take care of your health, because you are worth it.